Alright, so in the Watch Earth Activity app, you might have known that you can change your goals by scrolling down to the bottom and tapping Change Goals. And these goals are already pretty low, but did you know you can set your move goal even lower? Yep, that's right. So, head over to the Settings app, scroll down to Workout, tap it, scroll to Units of Measure, and then change energy units to kilojoules. Now head back over to the Activity app, change your goal to 20 kilojoules, and you're all set. Now, if you want to troll your friends, or just be cool, you can change this back to calories, and it will say 4 calories. Yeah. So, thank you for watching this video tutorial. We hope you enjoyed, and have a good one. Bye.